All right, for number 4, we have 5/6 equals 5 times 1. We're just trying to figure out our denominator here. It's because we already have 5 times 1 equals 5, so we're just going to take that denominator from right here. Our denominator hasn't changed because we're really multiplying times 1 on the bottom. So 1 times what is 6, or you can just look and see the denominator there. Oh, really quickly, these can also be represented with a drawing, right? A diagram. So 5 times 1/6 is, right, if this is a 1/6 block, 5 times would be 5 1/6 blocks. There you go, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. All right, looking at these diagrams, these come from lesson 10-2. Write a multiplication equation to represent the groups of fractions represented by the number lines. So that's these questions. But let's look here. In this picture, it's a little hard to see with the copies, but there are 2 pieces, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I see a diagram that represents a fraction. I'm writing the fraction. 2 groups of 2/6 is the same as 2 times 2/6, which is 4/6, because I multiply my whole number and my numerator. I can also see that by counting 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. Right? Our denominator doesn't change because each pie is cut into 6 pieces. Right? If I took this 1/6 and put it in this tray, and I took this one and put it here, I would still have 4 out of 6 pieces of a pie. All right, for the number lines, write a multiplication equation. I see each group is 2/3, 1/3, 2/3, 1/3, 2/3. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups of 2/3, which equals 8/3, because 4 times 2. This is an improper fraction. 8/3, well, I know 1 whole in this example is 3/3, right, from our denominator. So I can decompose this into 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 2/3. 6/3 here, 2 more. This is 1 plus 1 plus 2/3, or 2 and 2/3. Right, we have to simplify. All right, looking here, I've got groups of 3/4. It even tells me that, right? And I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So 3/4 times 5 wholes equals 15/4, because I multiply my whole number times my numerator. Now, if I look at my picture, and I could have done this in the previous example, I can see that 15/4 equals 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes, and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 3 and 3/4. I could have also done that, if there's no number line for us to look at, by making this into 4/4 plus 4/4, that's 8/4. Another 4 is 12/4. I don't have enough, right? 13, 14, 15 is only 3/4 more. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3/4, is 3 and 3/4. Sorry, that should have said 3/4 up there.